Hello, in this lesson you are going to learn how to release a blocked invoice. So after the invoice has been blocked for some time and for some reason the block does not apply anymore, the invoice then must be released first, and we can trigger that by canceling the blocking that we set on this invoice at the time when the invoice was entered for posting. So let's begin first by going to logistics, then go to materials management, then go to logistics invoice verification, then click on or select further processing. Let's go and click on this option, then go ahead and select transaction MRBR, release blocked invoices. Let's go ahead and double click on this transaction. The release blocked invoices screen is displayed. You have a set of selections are displayed. We're going to keep the company code as 1000 and I'm going to put the year as 2011 to limit my selection. We have the invoice document, so if you know the number of the invoice you could enter it here. If you have the vendor name, posting date, due date, and other options as well. So if you know the invoice document, you could enter it here and select release automatically and go ahead and click on execute. It will release the invoice that's been blocked automatically. If you don't want to do that and see a list of invoices that's been blocked in the year of 2011 and start releasing each and every one by viewing the list, that will be probably more wise than just go ahead and releasing the invoice automatically. So before I go ahead and click on execute, we have also a blocking procedure. We have blocked due to a variance. The variance could be the amount on the PO is not the same as on the invoice, the vendor's invoice. We have also manual payment block, and we have stochastically blocked. That means the stochastic or random block allows the user to inspect invoices at random or above a limited value defined in the configuration. So if the user configures the limited amount for certain department or plan to be, let's say, $5,000, then each invoice entered over 5,000, if I select that option, would have a high chance of being blocked. So automatically the invoice will be blocked if it's above $5,000 because I have already chosen this option, and that's done in the configuration. Let me go ahead now and click on execute. We just put block due to variances. Go ahead and click on execute. I have here a list of invoices that's been blocked by the user. You can also from here, if you notice, you can display the purchase order. Go ahead and click on it. Could view the PO. You can also display and view the invoice document as well. If you notice, you can only view but cannot edit or change any of the fields. So let's go ahead and highlight the invoice or invoices where the block is still in place but no longer valid. So if this is the invoice to be released, go and highlight it and go and click on save. Notice the message at the status bar saying that blocking reasons deleted. So that means this invoice is being released, no longer is blocked. Let's go now and click on the back icon to leave the screen. You have just learned how to release a blocked invoice. Let's go ahead now and review the quiz questions to find out how much you have learned from this lecture. And if you have any problem or you get stuck somewhere, you could go back and review the material one more time.